Hello everybody, welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda, and this is my nookery obviously, and here I do all my knitting, my crocheting, and I make my videos, film my videos and everything, and I spend the majority of my time here. I have a Facebook group called Linda's Crochet Nook, but obviously if you'd like to join, just head on over. I'm also on Instagram, and all the links to all the platforms that I'm on are in the description box below. So I don't know if you remember last month I got the knitting box from the Wool Factory. So I thought I'd give them another try for this month, and it's this the festive yarn box. So it came, and I'm just going to go into it and let's see what we've got this month. We'll see what what we'll do. Nice tissue paper. So I've got knitting subscription box, and apparently this is the festive one. So let's see what we've got. I've got Merry Christmas ribbon, which has got the wire, so that will make a nice bow. I've got, hold on, I've got, this is nice and soft. It's Signet's Pato Chunky. It's 100 grams. It's 100% acrylic. 135 meters, and this is red. It looks like a tomato red, but on there like an orangey red, but it's not. It's a darker red, guys, but that's the color. And in the same I got white, so I've got red and white yarn. I've got some bamboo needles, 6mm, the straight ones, which obviously I use 6mm for this chunky yarn. I got some, oh look at these buttons, stockings. So I've got about 2, 4, 6, 8, oh I've got 10 buttons. I've got a few stitch markers, and I've got 2 stitch holders. These always come in handy when I'm knitting. And then I've got, let me see what I've got. I've got 2 patterns, guys. So I've got Yarn Inspirations striped knit stockings. And you need, so that's what these sent the wool for, to knit them stockings. And so yeah, so I've got the yarn applicable to the pattern this month, which is good. And then I got this a tinsel pattern to make a scarf. Now I will never make this with the tinsel yarn because I don't like it. It irritates me, but they're nice. They're quite nice, aren't they? They're nice. They'd be nice gifts. So we've got a bolero, we've got a scarf, 2 different scarves, and a snood. So I'm taking it, that's the snood, and they're the scarves. Then that one, and that's the bolero. So yeah. So I'm just really pleased that I've got a pattern that I can use the yarn for, guys. As you know, I was a bit disappointed last month because I got some chunky yarn, but the pattern was for a DK, a 3-weight. So I'm quite pleased with them this month. So yeah, so this is what I got. This is what I got. So do you think I should make this stocking? Mind you, Rick and I already have our Christmas stockings, so we'll see. I might use it for something else. You never know. I've got a lot on my plate at the moment, But you never know, I might just want something that's nonsensical and quick and easy to do. So I think that's all from me for today, guys. What would you make with it? Would you make the stockings? Or should I make the scarves? I'm undecided, guys. I'm undecided. Or should I make hats? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? The choice is mine. Oh dear, guys, but I do like them buttons. They're so cute. They're so stinking cute. Look at them. Let me just take one out the bag. They're so stinking cute, guys. Honest to goodness. Look. Look at them stockings. Aren't they just adorable? Amazing. Amazing. Oh, so yeah. So next year, guys, I'm going to be doing Vlogmas next year. So I started planning. I've started planning, guys, for next year's Vlogmas. Would I do a vlog every day? More than likely come out in the evening, my time, but it'll more than likely be afternoon in the US. So yeah, guys, so there's my that is my knitting subscription from the Wool Factory here in the UK. So what do you think? What do you think this time? Should I give them another go? I've not decided yet. We'll see. But take care, everybody. Stay safe, and like I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now.